The Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma took the yo-yo test at the National Cricket Academy in Bengaluru on the 15th June and failed it. He subsequently asked for another attempt which he got on Tuesday but failed to appear for. The Mumbai batsman was offered yet another opportunity on Wednesday, which he finally managed to pass. Rohit, after clearing the yo-yo test, took it to Twitter and slammed the media for interfering into his life. Taking a dig at the media, Rohit wrote, "Dear, it's no one's business how and where I spend my time. I'm entitled to have time off as long as I follow protocol. Let's debate some real news, shall we?" And to a few channels, "I had just one chance to clear my yo-yo, that was today. Verification before reporting is always a good idea." Rohit Sharma has cleared the yo-yo test and is set to be a part of the Indian team that departs for the England tour on June 23.